Fan Fueled Friday and the pre-match hype. And you know what? The last time Sunderland won at Old Trafford was 2014 ago. That was ages ago. Our manager is facing scrutiny for losing against Brentford this week. We will make him proud. We are the 12th player on that team if the team needs a boost. The Black Cats are flying high, but will clip their wings. Our rock, our general Casemiro is available for the team. Ahmad, facing his former team, will be available for the match. Bruno Fernandes, the assist king, he will make their defense quake. Benjamin Sesko, if he starts, we will easily get the brace from him. This was Fan Fueled Friday pre-match hype. Remember to keep your shirts warm.